Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to close a job on the 24Task client application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on this folder icon down below. That's the fourth option. Here you can find two sections at the top, such as work in progress and past projects. So tap on the work in progress button and select the job that you have opened and now you want to close. Here you can find three sections: proposals, details of the job, and the payment information. Tap on the close job button in the upper right corner and tap on yes, close this project, and it will be closed automatically. So it will appear in the past project section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.